Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw OpenAI API payments and billing credits, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw payments and billing credits from your OpenAI API account, start by logging into your account on the OpenAI website. Navigate to the billing section of your account dashboard. Look for an option labeled Payments or Withdrawals. Click on this option to access the withdrawal interface. Review the balance available for withdrawal, ensuring it reflects the amount you wish to withdraw. Select your preferred withdrawal method from the available options. This may include bank transfer, credit card processing, or third-party payment platforms. Enter the required information for your chosen withdrawal method. Make sure to double-check all entered details for accuracy. Review the transaction summary to confirm the withdrawal amount and associated fees, if any. Once everything is correct, proceed to submit your withdrawal request. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been submitted successfully. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding the status of your withdrawal. Withdrawals typically take a few business days to process, depending on the selected method. If you encounter any issues during the process, return to the Help Center for troubleshooting steps. Alternatively, consider reaching out to OpenAI support for assistance. Be aware of any limits or restrictions on withdrawals as detailed in the OpenAI documentation. Regularly check your billing section for any changes or updates related to your account. Following these steps will help ensure a smooth withdrawal process from your OpenAI API account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.